gonna visit Season Pass later. While I am waiting for Joe to come, I'm gonna open up this 4-pack. Tumingin sa Season Pass. Oo, main. Akala ko nga ano pre, pero at least aircon, di ba? We're here at Season Pass at Circuit Makati. And I'm gonna find goods together with Joe.
Yes sir, let's go.
Na may sarili siyang vlog. Nagsiseparate na siya sa akin, pre.
Ginamit niya dito.
Yung Pentel na brand.
Okay. Galing.
Pastel pero for fabric.
So hindi man siya nabubura.
Ganda.
Once na set na with
So Mimo.
Mimo.
Check them out. Got some very artsy stuff here. Basta, long time man.
Ito, first time sa mall.
Kaya nga eh, solid niya eh. Good luck man. Good luck.
Thank you guys.
Solid na move to eh, no?
Yeah, nakailang move din. Pero ayos, di ba? Okay. Tsaka nakakatuwa kasi even though na nasa mall, parang nakikita mo yung demographic talaga ng mga formadong mga tao.
May ibig sabihin, hugot ng Season Pass, di ba?
Magulit ka na lang eh, no? Ista ako Season Pass, naglalakad-lakad lang dyan.
Kita mo eh. Ikat lang ako, bro.
Enjoy.
I mean, we're gonna check out every corner. We're gonna make sure that we're gonna go out to every corner right here. Because we don't want to miss out any single merchant. You got it. See? Oh shit, man. I was a top carpet. They keep carrying carpet. Then it looks good, bro. Looks very good. Beautiful. Currently, Joe is checking right here for Lumang Camisa. Follow them up. Yeah, this is our first stop. First purchase done.
Yes, sir.
Sangris na tea. And winapak niya. Tsaka yung Corona. Na hindi ko na na-video kasi nagko-cover ako kay Joe. Yeah, very good. That goes down for our first purchase of the day. Yeah, we're gonna go out to some more. In that for 2415. The rack. The 2415. See, it's gonna get something. Currently skipping dito kasi maraming tao for now. Skip muna tayo. Tapos na tayo with Horde. Oh, may Horde pala yung Horde. And Horde. Tsaka yung
Makukuha natin in the next one.
Vlog Multiverse.
Kaya ako, parang hindi ako...
Lakasan mo pag gano'n.
Subtitle na natin.
Hindi kasi unless pag ginanya mo, pre. Pag magsasalita ka na malapit, kailangan nakaganyan.
Kaya nga eh.
Pag kunwari tumitingin ka ng damit, pwede yung ganyan, tapos na mahina. Pero pag yung nakaganto ka, dapat malakas. Ha? Kasi yung mic niya, pre, nakaganon.
Okay. So kapag nakaganyan, okay lang na mahina yung salita mo.
Oo.
Or I mean, saktong voice.
Oo. Pag kailangan malakas.
Pag inawa yung...
Solid dito. Ay, naglaon yun tayo.
Grabe
yan, man.
Solid, bro.
Front and back.
Grabe, pre. Ano to? HM.
Price, 2-2. 1-2 na lang.
1-2 na lang. Solid din. Saks lang naman. Check natin price. The 1.5 human made 5 months. Ay, Manila.
Who wear? Butang, sir. 1,150. Not bad.
Ay, yun ba yung kinuha natin? Yung dalawa? Oo, yung dalawa. Okay. Yung back. Ano yan yung back?
Ito yung back. Back na to eh.
Ay, hindi. Yung front pa na to. Okay na, we got it. Magkano? 2.5?
From 3.3.
2.5.
2.6. Ganda eh, no? Kaya mo bawasan ako.
ganda natin.
Parang kasama mga 1 eh.
Uy. Kamusta? May boot ka? Visit ako mamaya. Saan banda? Ano ba yun? Puro mga artist na. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Hello. New stuff for Karma, 2-piece set. It's called Chop Suey.
Yung back here is very between the
Dogs, flowers. Medyo pagod lang ako magsalita. Yeah. And some other. Wildlife.
you get it out here on vintage young Salomon. Get a good look at it. Always fire.
Sabi, pre.
Ken, nanggugulo niyo hindi ako nagbabalag kami. Hip na yan.
May event pa kasi ako isa kaya...
Boss Chano.
Pero bukas punta ako dito bukas.
Open niya sa Green Hills.
Kaya pupunta ako dun.
Ayun.
Papatato pa naman
ako ngayon, ito mo. Umaga.
Di ba hapon yun, di ba? Ngayon na pala nata. Good luck, man.
Lagari ah.
Kailangan eh.
Kalinya niyo yung yung mga... May collectibles dun sa bandang fourth floor eh.
meron.
Kalinya niyo yun?
Ay, hindi, fifth kami.
Fifth ka.
Pero may mga collectibles din kami kaya.
So parang nilipat nyo lang talaga yung space niya sa ilalim. I don't know, it's the same actually. Right here. These sell for like, let's see, 1.5 as well, 1.5 each. Yeah, man. Hello guys, I'm with, what's the best
What's the best
product you want to like?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Well, some of these products are just hobby.
What?
Hobby. Tapos yung talagang pinapush ko na products are, well, these, yung clothes.
Okay.
So this is my bestseller actually. It's a sheer top.
Paano siya wina-wash? Parang yan? Hindi ba siya?
Machine wash, pero pwedeng hand wash.
Okay.
Pero yung tire net on low, para hindi siya masunog. Or steamer yung best.
Magkano siya each? Yung
This is 2 to 50. Hindi naman siya complicated to take care of. Except you can iron it na mataas.
Ano yung size range niya na
Right now, small, medium, large. But I accept custom orders for... You can change the width. Custom width and length.
How long do you usually make one of these? Or depende?
Pero pag custom, I usually
for that.
2 weeks. Pero it's more of figuring out how to fit it in my schedule. At saka yung mananahe ko, minsan busy sila.
So depende sa availability nila
So
din.
mga 2 weeks to be safe for custom orders. You DM me, sometimes I have naman on hand.
What is your website? Could you give them out?
You can just go to Miel Maker of Things on Instagram. Miel Maker of Things. And then may links na doon.
Alright, make sure guys to visit her out. Because her
And then I
products
also
are too
have,
nice.
this is my second bestseller item is these collars. Na pwedeng ipatong sa kahit ano.
How much is that one?
This is 1.5.
Ay, hello! Congrats dun sa mo. Kasi nag-solo ko wala, busy ako nun eh. Pero yung invite, sayang. Pero congrats.
Congrats din.
Thank you. Check nyo. Dito lang. Bago ka na, gawa.
That's all now. Stickers.
Check her stickers out. These new ones right here. Yeah, feel free to. Stop by. Hanggang bukas pa naman to, Sunday. So, release natin siya mamaya. Postiyan, kanan galaban.
Grabe sa dito. Mas Joe! Kamusta? Ay po,
Ayan, naka-coverage po tayo. Hype to, iniwan talaga dito sa gitna. Bukuin ko yun.
Kobre! Magkano ka naman sa 2.5? Magaling sa akin, pero sabi ko naman, mag-game yung mga ganun.
Ma'am, bawal po yan, ma'am.
Ay, gago.
Bawal po yan, ma'am. Parating mo lang?
Oo, kanina lang.
Game, mambudol ka dyan.
Ano ba? Basta ka na.
Ha? Okay lang naman.
We are down to our last merchant. Last booth na, last booth.
Yeah, man. Kaso makikipagsiksikan kami. Pero pipilitin na namin.
Palag.
Oo, sarap. Maksot na tayo.
That's it for season pass here at Circuit Makati, Manila. That's it for season pass at Circuit Makati. Day 1. We're gonna be out for day 2. We won't be coming right now, but tomorrow we're gonna check them out. And Revive is holding the camera, and I'm gonna be out. Susunod muli, guys. Nice.
Yes, sir.